Hello everyone, welcome back to the iTunes Fanboy. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be unboxing this Echo Show 5 second generation. So my mother got this for Prime Day for 10 bucks alongside a bundle of a Blink outdoor security system, which I also did unboxing of. And so this right here is just an Echo Show 5 that my mother bought, and this, when it was in a bundle, would cost 10 bucks, but normally retails for 40 bucks. So Echo Show 5s have really gotten cheap, and no, these are not the 5th generation Echoes. They're named because they're 5-inch screens. Yes, I find that confusing too. So, as you can tell on the front of the packaging, we have a photo of the Echo Show 5. I also want to find it remarkable how they put 30-degree weather on there. That's probably not too pleasant. Outside, and then there's the Alexa logo. Sorry if I activated your devices for saying that. Here we just got the Amazon smiley. Here we've got some basic information such as 5.5-inch touchscreen, which is actually the same size of the screen on the iPhone 6 Plus, 6S Plus, 7 Plus, and iPhone 8 Plus. And I know the Samsung Galaxy Note 2, the Samsung Galaxy Note 2 has that screen size too. There's a 2-megapixel camera with built-in shutter. It has Bluetooth, it has hands-free control of Alexa, it has a microphone and camera on and off button for privacy reasons. And as you can tell, it comes with what's in the box is the Echo Show 5 second generation and the power adapter. The setup is simple and requires Wi-Fi, and then it just says that and what I'm assuming is in Spanish and French. I'm not sure though. Maybe Italian, but as you can tell, it's if anybody knows what languages those are in, please comment that down below. As you can tell on the back of the Echo Show box, it says Alexa can show you more, such as Alexa, wake me up at 7 a.m. with pop music. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, show the baby cam. And so, on this side, it shows the 5.5-inch smart display plus Alexa, which lets you see your day clearly with the Echo Show 5 and Alexa at the ready. Glance your calendar or the news, make video calls to friends and family, and stream music or shows, all using your voice. I also do find it weird how Amazon decided to call their assistant Alexa. And then here just got all the boring stuff that nobody cares about, that most people don't care about. So here we've got the little seal, similar to how iPhone boxes do it. So, well, I mean, Amazon boxes actually did that first. So now, if we open it up from the top, here we've got the Echo, which we'll set aside and look at the accessories first, like in my unboxings. It says, hello, hola, bonjour. Yes, this is what those were, Spanish and French. Echo Show 5. Important information, which is not important to most people. At the bottom, what you got, your power adapter. Hey, at least this thing has a power adapter. I know, sir. And so I'm just gonna put everything back in the box as is, because Mom wants me to put everything back in the box. That's what she prefers. Not as is, but she just wants me to put everything in the box. And then we've got the actual Echo Show 5. It's got, so let's just take the plastic off of this thing. And this thing actually has a really nice feel to it. As you can tell, Amazon decided to really emphasize on sound, unlike the first Echo Show. Plugs in via micro USB, meaning that you could realistically plug it in via, no, never mind, I don't think it plugs in my micro USB. It just has the USB-C port. It's got a nice rubberized bottom, and here's the actual microphone mute button, volume down, volume up, camera switch, and then we've got this ugly square webcam that I absolutely hate, and like the circular camera on the first Echo Show 5. Oh well, so now I'm gonna go to this to my mom, and thank you all for watching this YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, I am the iTunes Fanboy, and peace out.